Welcome back to Stocklabs, and we just finished the first half of 2022. It's been a basically terrible year for most portfolios. Let's say that. Actually, this month for Fly's Quant portfolio, it finally kind of got bit by all these oil and energy stocks that it's been riding for months and months and months now. Looks like the trend finally broke in those, and they gave back a lot of ground all at once. So, month to date, down 19%, pretty bad. Brings the year to date performance to minus 3%. So, all the way kind of back to square one performance wise on the year. Now, I mean, this is still a lot better than the indexes, right? So S&P and Qs were down, 8-9% for the month. They're down about 20 to 30% on the year. So I mean, technically it's still outperformance here, but kind of don't like to see these big drawdowns occur. So only one stock in the portfolio was up. This pharmaceutical company. Everything else, all the energy stuff kind of got hammered the same amount, 15, 20, 25%. Even some of these more speculative ones down, 30, 40%. So bad month overall. I mean, that's kind of the risk you run with having an overallocate, being extremely overweight one particular sector, is when that turn happens, it hits you all at once. Now, there's no management of this portfolio within the month. So it's kind of like Fly buys this stuff first trading day of the month, lets it go until the next first trading day of the month. So probably if you really wanted to avoid this sort of thing happening a bunch of times, you might try and change some of the holding periods, or maybe put hard drawdown limits in for, I don't know, portfolio gives up 5% at any point in the month. You just liquidate it and start over next month. I don't know, whatever he wants to come up with, if he's going to address sort of this situation occurring in the future. Now, overall, kind of back into this range, right, that it was in, kind of at the start of the year. Well, like we said, down 3% for the year, and kind of banging around this same area that it was at. So it really busted loose here, by the end of May, but, some more work to be done. Now, given how simple this strategy is, you kind of still got to be happy or impressed with the performance relative to the markets, but you can never really be satisfied with something like down 19% for the month. So, yeah, I mean, it's kind of obvious what happened here, but whether Fly chooses to address it going forward, I mean, there's going to be new holdings either way tomorrow. So look out for those if you're following along with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Back half of the year, still plenty of time to put together a decent year. So talk to you guys later, and good luck out there.